Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. I wish you all a happy and prosperous 2021. Let's look at how 2021 will be for Simha Rashi or Leo sign people. Firstly, the general overview. The year starts with Jupiter, Rahu and Ketu in unfavorable positions. So challenges and obstructions in the first quarter are expected. Saturn will be positive for you and will remain strong in the 6th house throughout the year. Q2 and Q3, that is time starting from April till September, will be a very good time. You will have more positive energy and confidence. You can expect good gains, success in all undertakings, and health. If you have to talk about health may be disturbed in the first quarter and slowly it will recover. Early part of the fourth quarter also you may expect some sudden changes or some ups and downs in terms of profession as well as in health, and later on you will be able to see a lot of positivity coming towards the end of this year. That means end of November and the whole of December you will have positive changes coming your way. So overall, if I have to say, quarter 1 needs attention, quarter 2, 3 are very good, and quarter 4, specifically the first 1.5 months, will be a little challenging, and after that you will have a great finish to the year. So this is a good year. Please put in the best foot forward and make the best out of it. Now let's look at health, how health will fare. In the beginning of the year, you may experience things like stomach pain, there could be skin rashes or skin diseases, digestive troubles, but you need not worry because Sun will stay in a strong position during this time and will bless you with better health. So Q2 and Q3, that is time from April to September, you can expect more stability on the health front. Okay, and in the meantime you may have some small issues, like there could be a small injury because of a small accident or something like that. There could be stomach pain and also chest pain for you. Mars, Rahu, Ketu will help you to recover well. Will actually cause the problem, sorry. You will be able to recover well with the blessings of Sun, Jupiter and Saturn during this year. So overall, if I have to talk about health, it's a good year for you. Now let's move to career or business. For working people, the year will start with some challenges at the work front. Support from seniors may be a very little or missing, or there could be a lot of complaints coming against you from your seniors. Your peers may also not like you. There will be very little support that you can expect. You may be subjected to humiliation also. So you may experience failure if you are not careful. So this first quarter you need to really pay attention, stay focused. In Q2 and Q3, that is from April till September, you will experience a positive atmosphere, good energy, and your confidence will also return. You will be very good. You will be able to accomplish your tasks on time, or rather you may excel at some of the things. Only thing is you need to take care during the early part of the quarter 4, that is October, November months. You need to be very alert, otherwise you may have to face some challenge, unexpected changes in your career. Overall, if I have to say, it's a good year. Please work hard and make the best out of it. For businessmen also, you'll find a sudden slowdown in the early part of the year. Opportunities may reduce, and even the projects which you are already doing may progress at a slow pace. So you need to be a little confident here in the first quarter. The second quarter, that is starting from April, will provide more opportunities and good avenues for growth. Okay, success in competition is also indicated for you in that second quarter. If you have any big plans, then please initiate them in the time between April to August. That's a good time for you to start your projects. Keep your focus sharp and work hard to make things happen. Only thing that you need to be worried about is in the end of the year, or rather early part of the end of the year. That means October, November, you need to be really careful. Otherwise, overall for businessmen, it's going to be a great year. For students, again, start of the year may turn out to be a little challenging, where your concentration may be missing, your confidence levels may be either too low or too high. Okay. Again, in the second quarter, you will push ahead with positive energy. You will get back the momentum that you had lost in the first quarter, and you will be able to accomplish your tasks and also earn a good name. Success in competition is also indicated. Those who are interested in higher studies, they may get a good seat or the seat of their choice and study further. Success in competition is indicated again. Overall, a good year for students. Stay focused, specifically in Q1, and then make the best out of this year. Okay. Let's look at gains now. Wealth. Overall, it's going to be a great year for gains. Though it starts at a slower rate, that is, first 2 months you may experience a little slowdown, some unexpected expenditures happening, or maybe your investments may not go the way you expected them to go. So you need to have some patience. As the Q2 begins, that is from April, you will have plenty of opportunities to make out for the losses that have happened in the past. You may make good gains through speculation, and for some sudden gains are also expected, specifically in the month of December. So stay alert and plan your expenditure well in the first quarter. Otherwise, it's going to be a great year. On the family front, if I have to talk about, overall it's a good year on the family fronts. First quarter, as I said, there may be some friction that can occur between you and your spouse and also elders in the family, that is specifically in the first quarter. Children will behave properly in the second part of the year. First part of the year, first 3-4 months, they may give you some troubles. You may participate in very good family functions in the second and third quarters. Keep your anger in check. So that is the most important thing required during the first quarter. Okay, that will help you to have a better time on the family front. On the family front also, Leo sign people will have a good year this time. Now let's look at some of the remedies that you can do to make this year a better one. Okay, visit a guru's temple on a Thursday, specifically in the first quarter and the early part of the fourth quarter. Now recite or listen to Aditya Hridayam every day. So that will enhance your strength. Okay, so this can be done on a daily basis also, because Sun is your Rashi Lord. So you strengthen him, your name, fame, position also gets better and better over a period of time. If you want to donate, please donate horse gram, black gram, coconut, and even leather items on a Saturday. Okay. Now if you want to recite or listen to any stotram, I think Shiva Tandava Stotram will be a very good thing for you to please recite or listen to Shiva Tandava Stotram every day if possible, or at least Sunday and Monday. Okay. Fasting on a Thursday will be very beneficial in the first quarter. You can also pray to Lord Ketu. What you can do is you can recite this mantra. Om Stram Strim Strom Sahaketave Namaha. Om Stram Strim Strom Sahaketave Namaha. Om Stram Strim Strom Sahaketave Namaha 108 times every day. Okay, please perform these remedies and enjoy a very good year. There's a lot of positivity for you coming your way this year. So please make the best use of it. I wish you all the best.